fourth class of chapter 3, the pair of linear equations in two variables. In this class, I am going to discuss algebraic method of solving a pair of linear equations. The first method is substitution method. Let me take an equation. 3x minus 5y is equal to 2. Let me take some values of x and y. This equation you can write as 3x. You can write as 2 plus 5y. 5y you transpose to the other side. Then you get x is equal to 2 plus 5y by 3. What will happen when y is equal to 1? You get x is equal to 2 plus 5 into 1, 5 by 3, which is 7 by 3. You divide 7 by 3. What will you get it? 2 3s are 6, balance 1, then point 10, 3 3s are 9, again 1, 10, 3. That means you will get x is equal to 2.3333, etc. Can you represent this point in a graph paper? It will be very difficult. So, finding the solution by graphical method is not possible here. So, we have to find out some other method to find the solution of pair of linear equations in two variables. The first method what we are going to discuss here is substitution method. Let me take a pair of linear equations in two variables. Equations are x plus 2y is equal to 5, 2x minus 3y is equal to negative 4. Let me take the first x plus 2y is equal to 5 as the first equation and 2x minus 3y is equal to negative 4 as the second equation. Now let me consider the first equation. X plus 2y is equal to 5. Let me transpose 2y to the other side. What will you get? That is x is equal to 5 minus 2y. While transposing 2y to the other side, it will be minus 2y. Now, substitute x is equal to 5 minus 2y in equation 2. You will get an equation with only one variable. Let us see how it is. So, we can write substitute x is equal to 5 minus 2y in equation 2. We get now equation 2 is 2x minus 3y. So, instead of x you can write 2 into 5 minus 2y. And here minus 3y is equal to negative 4. Now do multiply by 2. What will you get? 2 into 5 is 10 minus 4y minus 3y is equal to minus 4. That is 10 minus 4y minus 3y is equal to minus 7y is equal to minus 4. Now 10 you transpose to the other side. So minus 7y is equal to minus 4 minus 10, which is equal to minus 14. So y you get it as minus 14 by minus 7, which is equal to 2. Now you got the value of 2. Now how will you get the value of x? To get the value of x, do substitute the value of y is equal to 2 in equation 1. So we can write substitute y is equal to 2 in equation 1. We get equation 1 is x plus 2y is equal to 5. So x plus, instead of here 2y, you can write as 2 into 2 is equal to 5. That is x plus 4 is equal to 5 x is equal to 5 minus 4, which is equal to 1. Therefore, the solution is x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2. It's very simple. This method we can call it as substitution method. You will be given two-way equations. From that, you take the value of one variable as the other in terms of the other and substitute in the other equation. Let us discuss one more question from textbook. Here is the question. Solve 0.2x plus 0.3y is equal to 1.3. 0.4x plus 0.5y is equal to 2.3. This is a question from textbook exercise 3.3. Now, let us take the given equation as 1 and 2. Now, let us consider the first equation, that is 0.2x plus 0.3y is equal to 1.3. Now, take x term one side, then the other side will be 1.3, transpose 0.3 to the other side. It is minus 0.3y. Then what is the value of x? Transpose 0.2 to the other side. You get 1.3 minus 0.3y by 0.2. So you got the value of x in terms of y. Now what you have to do is substitute this value of x in equation number 2. So we can write substitute x is equal to 1.3 minus 0.3y by 0.2 in equation number 2. We get here equation number 2 is 0.4x plus 0.5y is equal to 2.3. So that you can write it as 0.4x, you can write it as 1.3 minus 0.3y by 0.2 plus 0.5y is equal to 2.3. Now what is 0.4 by 0.2? Do multiply 10 to both numerator and denominator. 0.4 into 10 you get 4. 0.2 into 10 you get 2. 4 by 2 you will get 2. So this is 2 into 1.3 minus 0.3y plus 0.5y is equal to 2.3. Now do multiply by 2, you get 2 into 1.3 is 2.6 minus 0.3 into 2 is 0.6y plus 0.5y is equal to 2.3. Now what is minus 0.6 plus 0.5? Which is minus 0.1. So this you can write as 2.6 minus 0.1y is equal to 2.3. Now transpose 2.6 to the other side, that is minus 0.1y is equal to 2.3 minus 2.6. Now do minus 2.6 minus 2.3. What will you get? This is 0.3. So minus 0.1y is equal to minus 0.3 because it is 2.6 is bigger than 2.3. So y you can write it as minus 0.3 by minus 0.1, which is equal to 0.3 in by 0.1 is equal to, do multiply 10 to both numerator and denominator, which is equal to 3 by 1, which is equal to 3. So y you will get it as 3. Now how will you get the value of x? Just to substitute y is equal to 3 in equation 1. So we can write substitute y is equal to 3 in equation 1, we get 0.2x plus 0.3 into 3. 0.3y means 0.3 into 3 is equal to 1.3. That is 0.2x plus 0.9 is equal to 1.3 0.2x is equal to 1.3 minus 0.9. That is 0.2x is equal to 0.4. 1.3 minus 0.9 is 0.4. So x you will get it as 0.4 by 0.2. Multiply both numerator and denominator by 10. It will be 4 by 2, which is equal to 2. So you can conclude, therefore the solution is x is equal to 2, y is equal to 3. Here is your exercise 3.3 questions. The fourth question I already done. Remaining questions you do yours. Look at the second question. First equation is s minus t is equal to 3. Second is s by 3 plus t by 2 is equal to 6. Here you have denominator as 3 and 2 in first and second term. So what we have to do is do multiply by 6. HCF of 3 and 2 is 6. So you can rewrite this equation as 6 into s by 3 plus 6 into t by 2 is equal to 6 into 6. So 3 6 2 times. This equation you can rewrite as 2s plus 3t is equal to 36. This you can take it as equation 3. Now this equation you can take it as equation 1. Now using 1 and 3 as we done in the previous case, you can find out the value of s and t. Here are your answers. Do verify yourself. That is all for today's class. Have a nice day.